Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Apple Watch Series 4 44 millimeters with a GPS. So this is a new version of the Apple Watch. It's the fourth generation. Obviously, this is a Series 4, and the client brought this in to us with not really that bad screen damage. It was just shattered on the corners, and we are going to replace it. So apparently the Apple Watch is not really immune to breakage. The sapphire crystal on top is resistant to scratches but not to breakage. So as long as you're really careful with your Apple Watch, you don't have to worry about the breakage. If the daily use may be taxing mostly on scratches, but not really on the possibility of it breaking up on you. So we are just going to slowly take our time and remove the front glass. So just like the smartphone, the Apple Watch uses a backlight and LCD combo that is attached by flat cables through these three connectors. So we're just going to peel off the insulation and detach it and pull it out. So if you are going to replace only the screen of the Apple Watch, it is a direct replacement. No need for us to remove the internals and the buttons underneath it. We're just going to clean up the old adhesive as usual. Obviously, this doesn't require any screws, and the adhesives is the main attaching medium of the glass to the main assembly. So the old adhesive will not be effective now in deflecting water from entering. So we're going to replace it with new adhesives. So in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we have stocks of Apple Watch Series 4 replacement screens. And right at the right side of this one is the new one that we are going to directly install through these three connectors. It is a straightforward operation. Just be careful not to scratch, or as you open the device, you don't want to snap off these flat cables. If you do, then that would be an even more expensive repair. So if you want to DIY this, just bear that in mind. If you don't want to ruin your good Apple Watch, you just want to replace it, just contact a professional. Take it to us in Sydney CBD Repair Center. Give us a call. We'll give you the replacement screen. We'll do the replacement service for you, and we're going to give you a quality replacement part. So we're going to test it now. Going to turn it on. If it works, if there's any issues with booting up, then we may be in for a very long repair session. It may be an issue with the battery or the board itself inside. So there it is, it's working, and you can see the keypad is working. It's responding to touch and swipe. So this is not yet stuck in the main assembly. The adhesives were not yet installed. We're just testing it out, and we are going to apply a special adhesive just to keep the Apple Watch waterproof. So obviously this is not a factory replacement of the adhesive, so you might still consider being more careful with your Apple Watch. So this modern smart watches is not really the same as your pro divers, the traditional watches that you have on your wrist. So you might want to refrain from swimming with it. Just splashes, this okay. So we're going to clamp it, set the adhesives, and then come back and do the final testing. We're going to attach the watch bands. So if you have defective iPhones, Apple Watch, just take it to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We'll do everything for you. We have the stocks of replacement screens. We'll do the replacement repair. We'll test it for you. We ensure that your smartphone is taken care of all throughout the repair procedure, so it won't be scratched up when you receive it. So this one is a success. It's ready for delivery. And like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Like our page. Give us a call if you want to have your own repair service scheduled. So next time, guys. Cheers.